The ArcReach Heater Data application allows you to easily provide the recorded heating data in a chart, exported within a raw data file or PDF document for joint QC reporting purposes. The installation link for the ArcReach Heater Data application can be found on the ArcReach Heater software and product pages on MillerWelds.com. To open or read an existing temperature data file, click Open File and select the file you wish to open. If information was entered on the joint setup screen, the information will display at the top of the chart. If the manual method of a heat profile was entered, you can enter the technician name in the Notes section on the bottom of the chart. You can also add notes to provide any relevant information associated with the resulting chart view. Multiple files can be merged into one using two different methods. To use this feature, it must be turned on in the Settings area of the data application. When initially opening the file, press Open File and select the multiple files associated with the heat profile for that weld. Or, after initially opening a file, select Add File and select the files to be merged. The Data View button displays the raw heating data in a table format. Select the Chart View button to show the heating data in a chart format. The Scale Min-Max Adjust button displays the values of the chart's y-axis. The Display Maximum and Minimum button displays temperatures that were entered on the joint setup screen. Customized thermocouple labels are available by selecting the Custom Select button. After adding and merging additional files, adding notes, or changing the technician field, the file can be saved. Press Save File, and if required, change the file name. Note, the extension must remain .mlrdat. You can also export the same chart to a PDF file, print the chart, or export to a CSV file.